Are you struggling with hair fall, seeing too much hair on your pillow or in the shower? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful home remedies to help you stop hair fall naturally and promote stronger, healthier hair right from your home. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing home remedies that actually work. Now, let's get started. Remedy number 1, Aloe Vera Magic. Aloe vera is one of the best natural treatments for hair fall. It soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and strengthens hair roots. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel and massage it onto your scalp. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 3 times a week for the best results. Remedy number 2, Onion Juice Power. Onion juice may not smell great, but it's amazing for hair growth. It boosts blood circulation and strengthens hair roots. Just blend 1 onion, strain the juice, and apply it to your scalp using a cotton pad. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Repeat twice a week for thicker, stronger hair. Remedy number 3, Coconut Oil and Curry Leaves. Coconut oil is a natural hair moisturizer, and curry leaves are rich in proteins that reduce hair fall. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add some curry leaves, and let it cool. Massage the oil into your scalp and leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Remedy number 4, Fenugreek Seeds Treatment. Fenugreek seeds are packed with protein and nicotinic acid, which promote hair growth and prevent hair thinning. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight, blend into a paste, and apply to your scalp. Leave for 30 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo. Do this twice a week for stronger hair. Remedy number 5, Green Tea Rinse. Green tea is full of antioxidants that prevent hair fall and improve hair texture. Brew 2 green tea bags in hot water, let it cool, and use it as a final hair rinse after shampooing. This simple trick will strengthen your hair and reduce shedding over time. Bonus tip, scalp massage for hair growth. And here's a bonus tip for you: scalp massage. Massaging your scalp daily for just 5 minutes improves blood circulation and stimulates hair follicles, leading to faster hair growth. Try it and see the difference. These home remedies are simple, natural, and effective. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more amazing hair care tips. See you in the next video.